The venue was very clean and safe, and we felt comfortable letting the children explore and play freely. I especially like the interactive displays here, which allow children to participate and learn a lot of new knowledge. This place is also a great place for parent-child interaction, leaving many beautiful memories. Visited with the kids and had a great time. There are lots of cute wooden toys and educational materials here, which not only attract children's attention, but also inspire creativity and learning. The place is not big, but the play facilities are sufficient. There aren't many people visiting on weekdays, so 2 hours is enough to play all the games, and you can even play Sky Kwankwayu several times, which is very satisfying. Purchasing tickets with Klook is cheaper than the official website and very convenient. It was much more fun than expected. In addition to the must-play zipline, there were also many games. The children had a lot of fun. Although we bought 4-hour admission tickets, the store was very flexible and allowed us to play early, but it must be admission on the hour. In addition, the rope is only open from 15 minutes to 45 minutes, so pay attention to the time. The baby had a lot of fun. Some educational games can also make the baby use his brain, which is really great. The swing is my favorite. I don't know how many times I have played it. Buying tickets on Klook is convenient and fast. The facilities are novel and fun, not only educating children about environmental awareness, but also suitable for adults and children, making it ideal for family trips. Great for both adults and children, the facilities inside are novel, making it perfect for families. This time, we brought the elderly to play, and they also found it fun, suitable for the whole family. Weekdays are less crowded, so the experience is great. No lines. If you buy a ticket but can't make the time slot, you can reschedule for the next one. The kids had a blast. I had been watching other parents describe the fun they were having, but after seeing reviews of the Yulin City location mentioning the poor attitude of the staff, I decided to go with the Taichunglihao branch instead. We happened to book a private session, so my 2 kids went crazy playing. The staff were all very friendly and played with the kids. I will definitely buy again. You can just scan the QR code to enter. The place is not very big, but there are many different games. I feel it is more suitable for older children. They know how to play, otherwise parents need to follow them all the time. Children at home like the sliding game the most. Adults could also play together. This was our second visit to Wooderful Life. Our first visit was to the Shenzhen Yixin Holiday Plaza branch, and this Kaohsiung location felt a bit smaller with fewer facilities compared to Shenzhen. The zipline was still the most fun, the other wooden activities were pretty much the same. This time, we purchased the music box package. We played for 2 hours first, and then went across to make the music box. The package included a few decorations, but if you didn't like them, you could choose others you preferred and pay the difference. The staff basically assembled the music box for us, we just had to apply glue and attach the decorations ourselves. The kids had a great time for 2 hours, and with the music box making, it took about 2.5 hours in total. I would 100% recommend Wooderful Life to everyone. Everyone including the elderly had so much fun and 2 hours just passed by so quickly.